Hello, welcome to the course Capstone Project. Let me talk about myself. I am Dr. Yogesh Kulkarni. I've got about 16 plus years of experience in CAD software development, that is computer aided design. Got a PhD in the same topic, and for last few years I'm working as a data scientist or data analytics consultant in areas like text mining and then machine learning. In this course, we'll look at couple of problems, data sets. We'll pick one of them and go through processes like data acquisition, data preparation. The core part of this course is called workflow, where we'll go through various stages of machine learning, implement them in Python environment, and record your findings and then put them back in a template that is provided to you. For this course, you'll need to have a formal education in science and mathematics. Most importantly, you'll have to have background in machine learning. You must have done a couple of courses before you attempt. This is sort of a last course that we'll do for machine learning track. And of course, for implementation, you'll need Python and its associated libraries. So, let's get started.